So in today's competitive market, you need that winner's edge. So when you're looking to make an offer on a home, we got to find a way that makes you stand out from the competition and puts that gold star on your pre-approval letter that builds confidence with the seller and the seller's agent that your pre-approval is solid. At Waterstone Mortgage at the Andy Burton team, we put a $5,000 cash closing guarantee to the seller that your income, credit, and assets have been thoroughly underwritten up front, and we can guarantee that our review of this will allow you to close. Obviously, terms apply. But what it does is it creates that level of confidence for the seller that they don't have to worry anymore that there's going to be any issues with your financing. And by doing this, we are using this and it is getting offers accepted. This is a difference maker in today's market. So if you're looking for a way to win, that our $5,000 cash closing guarantee can be a way to win, and I'd love to be able to help you do that. So reach out to my team and we'll show you how we can get you a $5,000 cash closing guarantee.